SwimSafer Practical, Stage 1. Are you ready? Let's learn and have fun. Sequence 1A. Put on your swimwear and no goggles is allowed. Step 1. Sit down at the edge of the pool and enter the water with slide in entry. Step 2. Put your head in the water and identify the object. Step 3. Swim on your back for 5 meters. Step 4. Do a front float on your tummy for 5 seconds and stand to recover. Step 5. Do a back float for 5 seconds and stand to recover. Step 6. Swim 10 meters on front. Step 7. Float on your back. Wave for help and call for help. Step 8. Grab the kicking board and float for 10 seconds. Step 9. Hold the float and kick to the pool edge. Step 10. Exit the pool safely. Sequence 1B. Get ready by wearing your swimwear, shorts, and t-shirt. Step 1. Put on your PFD. No goggles is allowed. Step 2. Jump into the water and float for 30 seconds and exit the pool. That's the end. Remember to always swim with an adult.